Today, we are going to create a billing document in the SAP S/4HANA system to finish off our sales order process. To begin, you're going to navigate to the Create Billing Documents application, and you will find and select your SD document that you'd like to create the billing document for. Once done, you'll go into your billing settings, and you will want to make sure that Set Billing Date and Type Before Billing is set to On, that Automatically Post Billing Documents is on, and that Display Billing Documents After Creation is also on. Select OK, and then click the Create Billing Documents button. Once here, you'll see a pop-up, and you'll want to go to F2, which is your invoice, and enter in your billing date. Select OK. Here, a temporary billing document will show up and allow you to review before you would like to officially save and post this. Once the review is done, you will just go down to the bottom right and you will click Save. And now you have successfully created a billing document in the SAP S/4HANA system.